Hello everybody and welcome back to Sip and App. I don't know about you, but when I entertain at home, some kind of bread always has to take center stage. But there's something about focaccia bread that makes it one of the most versatile party breads out there. And today, instead of making one giant slab and slicing it up later, we're making adorable little individual focaccias. Despite their impressive look, they are actually incredibly simple to make, so let's get started. Into the bowl of a stand mixer, add water, yeast, sugar, rice vinegar, olive oil, salt, and bread flour. The rice vinegar might seem unusual, but it gives the dough just a little extra flavor and tenderness. And then mix on medium-high speed for about 15 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Now, if you're kneading by hand, it may take a little longer, but the goal is the same: a soft, stretchy dough with good gluten development. Once the dough is ready, cover the bowl and let it rise in a warm place until doubled in size. Depending on your kitchen, that usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. After the dough has risen, transfer it onto your work surface and divide it into 12 equal pieces. If the dough feels sticky, use just a tiny bit of bench flour, but try not to add too much or the dough can become very dry and tough. It should be about 35 grams each. Then roll each piece into a smooth ball. Cover these balls with a damp towel and let them rest for just about 10 to 15 minutes. This step relaxes the gluten and makes them much easier to shape. Next, flatten and gently roll each dough ball into a small round disc, about a 1/4 inch thick. Today, I'm using these silicone muffin top molds, which give them a really neat uniform shape that's perfect for entertaining. But if you don't have molds like these, don't worry. You can simply place them onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and they'll still turn out beautifully and rustic. Brush the tops generously with extra virgin olive oil, then cover them loosely with another baking tray or plastic wrap and let them rise again until puffy and doubled. This should take about 45 minutes to an hour. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Right before baking comes the signature focaccia look. Using your fingertips or even the thick end of a chopstick, poke dimples all over the dough. Then finish with flaky sea salt and some fresh rosemary leaves if desired. Bake them for about 18 to 20 minutes until beautifully golden brown on top. Once they come out of the oven, let them cool slightly on a wire rack before serving. These mini focaccias are proof that sometimes the simplest things can completely steal the show at a party. They're soft, chewy, crisp around the edges, and endlessly versatile. Serve them warm with olive oil for dipping. Split them into little sandwiches or pile them onto your next charcuterie board. And honestly, there's just something about everyone getting their own little focaccia that makes entertaining feel extra special. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with somebody who loves homemade breads as much as we do. Happy baking and see you next time!